So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rahul FX. So today we'll be going through the trade I took on GBP NZD. The trade had given me around 2.18 hour. I'll show you in a minute my funded next dashboard. So as you can see, let's get on with it. So this is the daily time frame on GBP NZD. So I had marked my point of interest in the dotted line which you can see, those are from weekly time frame, and without the middle line those are from daily time frame. So going on to the 12th of, I taken this trade in 12th November. So when it was 12th November, the market was bearish. As you can see, this red candle, massive red candle, the market was in a bearish trade. So I had a bearish bias to take a sell trade. So as you can see, the all the red lines are the initial take profits. Okay, so let's go on to the lower time frame. As you can see, it's currently 2:22 in the morning. I'm recording this video. Let's go on to the lower time frame, not lower, 4 hour time frame. So yeah, as you can see, in a 4 hour time frame, the market is creating perfect lower high, lower low market structure. So I was looking to take a entry over here, but I had missed the opportunity because it was not near my point of interest. Okay, so let's move this. So as you can see, this is a clearly a downtrend. So another thing that I have to say is, if you find that the higher time frame is in a trend, like this is a bearish trend or a bullish trend, if you are unless and until you are trading the 1 minute time frame, then you can take a reversal trade. But if you are trading even a higher time frame as in like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, so I will say try to follow the trend. So yeah, the 4 hour was bearish. So now the only thing I did was jump onto the 15-minute time frame and wait for my market structure shift for 15 minutes. So as you can see, I had written down that I had entered the trade on 6:15 when there was a market structure shift. So as you can see in this candle, after this candle had closed below this range, as you can see, sorry. So I was waiting for a candle. If, however, this candle had closed above this range, I was not planning to take a trade. But as it had broken this range and closed below that, then I jumped on to my MetaTrader and I was preparing to take a trade. But as this candle was forming, as you can see the 15-minute time frame, I realized my MetaTrader was somehow logged out because of my network issue or something. Then I had to log in back again and all. So it took a lot of time to get in. Then I had placed my entry. Then I thought about, then let's wait for a slight pullback to enter the trade. Then I waited for this candle, the next candle. I had placed my entry in the starting, but due to some slippage, I got my entry over here. But as you can see if you are predicting a long move, it doesn't matter where you enter the trade until and unless, like, if you are trading a lower time frame, that does not matter entry. So this happens to me. I don't know if it happens to you all also, that whenever I enter a trade, the price just starts dancing in my area. Like as I enter the trade, see market, like whichever candle I enter the trade, the market starts retracing. So that can be used as a strategy, like a lower time frame strategy. Like whenever I will enter the trade in my smaller account, I will just reverse the trade and all that. So yeah, so as you can see, the market was taking a lot of rejection from below, but I had set my stop loss and take profit, and my initial take profit was somewhere around here. This was my initial take profit. I will say you what happened, but let's analyze why my stop loss was here. So first of all, my stop loss was around here, but as you can see, it was around 34 pips. So that is a lot of stop loss for a target of 1 is to 2. So I reduced it to the area when that if it breaks this point, the market will surely go above to take the London liquidity. So I had placed a quick stop loss in the middle of the FBG. So yeah, so I had gotten around 2.4 or 5 something. So yeah, I entered the trade. The price started rejecting here. So then my initial stop loss was above here. But as soon as the price started rejecting a lot, as you can see the price started rejecting all the candles that I had entered the trade 1, 2, 3, 4. For the first 1 hour, it was only rejecting my area. Then next candle, it had given a strong bearish move. Then I was confirmed that it is going to follow the trend. So I just closed my laptop and all that, and I went to sleep. Not sleep, I was just taking a rest. So as you can see, what happened is, yeah. So after this, after it had given a move of around 1.2.49, my initial target was around here 3, 3.5. So I was just waiting. Okay, I was just waiting for it to touch my take profit. So then it gave a little bit retracement. Then I had marked this zone that if whenever if you have studied market structure, so if this is the recent lower high, if the market comes and closes above this area, then it's no longer a bearish trend. Then the trend changes. So it will be good to just close your trade only. So I was waiting. If anyhow it closes above this area, then I will just close my trade in little bit of profit. So as you can see, it was a strong move up. Then came the bearish move. Like all the candles were in my favor. Then again, it gave a little retracement. Then once it came to this area, I was waiting for the candle closure below the previous lower low. So it was reject. See how many rejection this single place had gotten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 rejection in a single area. So like I was fed up with this trade. Like imagine you are sitting in a place. It's coming again and again, same place, and it's just not giving a candle closure. And finally, it came and given a candle closure, but it retraced and closed above this previous market structure. So then I was waiting. Then I was waiting, like, let me close the trade. Then I remembered that my initial rules are to just sit and forget the trade. So I just left it. So as you can see, then again it came back. Then again it didn't close above below this. See, it's like what the fuck was going on here? See, it didn't close below this. One, two, three, four, five, six. Like I was being fed up with this trade, and there was a trend line liquidity also. So yeah, after this move, then when this move happened, I closed my trade around somewhere here. I closed it manually. I closed my trade around somewhere around here. So as I closed my trade, there was something new. I hadn't seen Forex Factory, so the news could have taken me out. So yeah, so now let's go to the funded next. I will show you the trade. As you can see, this is my funded next Rahul dashboard. So let's refresh this. So yeah, this single trade I have made $164 as you can see in the screenshot. So I was in break even on this account. Then in a single trade, I was merely going to pass the account. If my trade had hit this, I would have passed the account. But no, it didn't hit that. I closed it below only. So I'll show you my trade. As you can see, the win rate is 66%. So yeah, see, and you can notice this thing. All of my trade are sell only. So as you can see, 100. I had taken a two entry. So So first had given me 120, second had given me $38 in profit. So yeah, so this was the trade. Thank you so much guys for watching. So I have made a little bit of profit in my live account also. I will be recording a video today. I will post it next week. So yeah, bye bye. Take care.